some of you know, we have a humanitarian crisis that's taking place in Sri Lanka. And I've been increasingly saddened by the desperate news in recent days. Across an ocean in Africa, many people are still living amid poverty and violence and disease of the kind that Dikembe Mutombo, who's being honored here tonight, is attacking with the same ferocity with which he used to block shots in the NBA. It's time for us to go ahead and move forward on a two-state solution that will affirm the needs of Israeli citizens and will affirm the needs of Palestinians who are desperate for a homeland. We have sometimes grammatically incorrect, unmistakably hopeful voice of somebody who is just desperate for a chance, just desperate to live his unlikely dream. And somebody at the University of Hawaii, halfway around the world. And the American people are just desperate for folks who are willing to put aside politics just for a minute and try to get some stuff done.
We're working closely together on Afghanistan, also the Middle East peace process. We're desperate to get that moving again.
And we're not going to wait around and play the usual political games here in Washington because the American people are desperate for some relief right now. Our world is still in desperate need of repair. We can't wait until gas is skyrocketed more and people are desperate. I don't have to tell you. We've got roads and bridges all over this country in desperate need of repair. We've got Mayor Villaraigosa and Governor O'Malley here as representatives of organizations of mayors and governors who know how desperate we need to do some of this work. When a man desperate for work finds himself in a factory or on a fishing boat or in a field, working, toiling for little or no pay and beaten if he tries to escape, that is slavery.
But physically, you can't turn away young children, women, people in desperate needs, and the wounded.
For generations, certain groups in this country, especially African Americans, have been desperate in need of access to quality, affordable health care. We've got millions of people in Turkey, Jordan, Lebanon, who are desperate, and the situation's only getting worse. The Syrian people the chance to rebuild their country, but it can help desperate people to survive.